Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 07, Part 04. How to place a napkin on the guest's lap after seating the guest. Gender etiquette. Always prioritize serving ladies first when applicable. Delicate handling. Handle the napkin with utmost care and precision, ensuring it is presented neatly and without haste. Thoughtful unfolding. Unfold the napkin using the most effortless and graceful method. Discretion in gestures. Refrain from creating any noise or waving the napkin, as such actions are considered impolite and unprofessional. Courteous conclusion. Once all guests have been attended to, conclude by wishing them a delightful dining experience. Cultural sensitivity. When serving Middle Eastern guests, it is imperative to observe their customs and traditions. A lady should be assigned to unfold the lady's napkins, while a gentleman takes care of the gentleman's napkins. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.